In this video, I would like to show you some programs which I have created in the programming languages Python and C#. Before we get started, we will need to obtain an application which will allow us to create and run our programs. We will use an application called PyCharm for Python and Visual Studio 2019 for C#. The first program which I prepared is made in Python. This program is going to convert numbers from decimal to binary and back. Let's start the program and select a numeral system. We will select decimal. Now we will select the target numeral system. We will be converting to binary. Now that we are done with setting the options, we can enter a number. For example, let's choose the number 17. The program gave us the number 10001 as a result. To check if the program is working properly, we will convert it back to decimal. We will choose binary as the first option, decimal as the second, and finally we will enter the number 10001. The result is 17, which means that the program is working correctly. The second program is made in C#. This program will solve quadratic equations. Let's start the program and select a mode. There are 3 different modes and we will explore all of these in this video using the equation 2x on the other plus 4x plus 2. Let's start with the mode root. Coefficient a equals 2, b equals 4 and c equals 2. We will see that the root of the equation is equal to -1. To check if the result is correct, we can get the basis of the equation from the root. To do that, let's select the standard form mode and enter the coefficient a, which equals to 2. Since our equation has just one result, we will input that for both roots. As we can see, the equation is the same as it was at the beginning, which means that the program works. Let's also try out the third mode, factorization. Coefficient a equals 2, b equals 4 and c equals 2. The program has printed out 2 times x plus 1 in parentheses times x plus 1 in parentheses. If we multiply that, we will see that we get back to 2x on the other plus 4x plus 2. We will try creating one such program for the end of the video. We will be working in Python, so we will use an application called PyCharm. First, start PyCharm and create a new project. You can name the project however you want to, but in this example we will simply name it program. First, we will make a part of the program which will be executed before the start of the game. Now, we will make a function in which the player will choose one of the options. Next, we will create another function which will assign a random option to the computer. However, before we can do that, we must import the random module. After both the player and the computer select one of the options, the last function comes into play. This function will determine whether the computer or the player has won. Let's also create a function that will write out a message saying that the computer has won and another function which will inform us that the player has won. The program is now finished, and all that is left is to start it and play until we stop having fun.